What do we have, guys? Talk to me. These guys are part of L&Ds. I'm gonna make them a shirts pretty soon. No more splashing fun around here. There we go. Yep.
Let's grab this and get this water off.
The water side, right?
Yeah. Depends how big it is, maybe 900. Maybe 1,000. Right?
Mm-hmm. Go to dinosaur then, right?
Okay.
No, that's a. Oh, and then. Right there. Yeah, it does. But your dolphin's so good. It's still brand new. Fuck.
Yeah.
Something's not gonna be good.
You gotta start tight.
13.
Tight, like just too tight, you can't. Wait. Ready?
1, 2.
Yeah, we go. Ready?
1, 2, go. 30 hands clean money, baby. Ready? That's your best transformer, man.
Okay. Come on. Where's he pushing the water?
I got it. You got it. That's for my video. Nope. I should have brought transformer. Okay. Move that. 1. Easy.
You got it?
Device overheated. Screen wheel.
Well, that's because you're in the heat, dude.
Couldn't record the pickup, but I made it. Love to see it. Today, bro. Extension cord. Yada yada yada. It's a nice one. Boom, 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 boom. Halfways. Good. Let's go. See what you got. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. You got it. I'll throw you in there. Looks good, huh?
Get the other strap.
Nice. You know, you got it. Okay, we got